Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about Amazon MACIE. This is part 2 of the exam review materials for SCS CO2 exam, which is the AWS specialty exam. So, we'll be talking about AWS MACIE core capabilities, why it matters, what it scan, what it doesn't scan, and where it integrates, and why it matters. Um, and I probably will jump into a short demo. So it's a fully managed data security and privacy service from AWS that helps organizations discover, classify, and protect sensitive data stored in Amazon S3 using machine learning and pattern matching. Um, what does Macy does? So it basically scans S3 bucket, classify data using built-in and custom identifiers, monitor access pattern, flag unusual or unauthorized activity. It generates binding for misconfigured buckets or exposed data. It integrates with AWS services like Security Hub and EventBridge for automated remediation. Why it matters, it prevents data breaches by identifying risk before they escalate. It's compliant with regulation like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI-DSS. It's provide visibility into where the sensitive data reside and how it is accessed. And it simplifies the security operation with continuous monitoring and reporting. What it does, it's just basically it scan the S3 and analyze the objects stored in S3 and detect sensitive data like personal identifiable objects in their financial record, credential, and more. And it scans the S3 for misconfiguration. For example, you allow it to be viewed in the internet. What it does not scan, so it doesn't scan DynamoDB, it doesn't scan RDS, EBS, EC2, which has to scan S3. It does not inspect data in transit, so it only inspect data at rest. And it doesn't scan IAM roles, policy and permission, access key, MFA settings and trust relationship, and cross-account access configuration outside of the 3S not supported. Uh, it integrates with AWS Security Hub, EventBridge, and AWS Organization, which we are going to talk about later. And yep. And yep, thank you. For more training, you can contact me on this address, and that's for WhatsApp for my number, and that's my email. And you can donate to Aware IT because we'll be launching a large physical event. So you can donate to us, so we could launch bigger event rather than just having our present in YouTube, which is sponsored by, well, that's anything goes, which is basically this is through the Aware IT initiative. So with that, we'll go right into the demo, and hopefully I am here. Let's go to aws.com. So I already enabled Macie here. So go to sign into console. Um, and this is the, when you click on Macie and enable it, it goes to uh, your dashboard, and it will tell you if you have sensitive, or that's your dashboard anyway. So summary, and you have total buckets, and what we're trying to do here is we want to find something that's sensitive within S3, and the way we can trigger that is gonna pull some. This is the MACIE file that contains I'm gonna include that in this, and is here it contains this. That's format for a credit card, and I'm going to upload that to my S3 bucket. So go for S3, and there you go. And I'm gonna upload that here, but I already did some not to um so I'm gonna upload that into this add files. Oh, sorry. I tried adding my resume to that anything in resume, but I'm gonna add the MACIE text file in here, and I'm gonna upload that. Upload, and for whatever reason she doesn't want to upload, right? What's the upload? I think it's already there, right? Okay. Upload succeeded. Okay. So that's basically in my test 02 folder. But and then what to use my C to scan it and find that one from my S3. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a job, and here from this job I'm gonna scan all my S3 bucket. That's where the file is located, and I'm gonna click next, and those are the S3 bucket that it will scan. So I selected every S3 that I have, and I'm gonna just create a one-time job, so I don't want it to run every time. It's just for a demo, and then I'm gonna click next, and these are all the items that it will scan. So if we add credit card, it will show there that credit card is in there, and it will be detected, right? So this I actually choose everything that's recommended, and I'm gonna click next, and just click next, and next, and we're gonna name it test 03 now, and I'm gonna click that, and show me the cost, and doesn't cost anything for now, and then I'm gonna submit that, and it's and as you can see, it's here, it says it's running, so we will have to wait for that to finish. Once it's finished, it will show the result, but I'm not going to do that, and I already have just two here, and it will tell you when it's completely that's completed scanning, and then you can right click, show the result, and then show the findings, and here's the findings for the earlier run, and it shows the I have a sensitive data and where it's located. So the S3 contains financial information such as credit card, and this one was I uploaded that on test one, and that's the MACIE text, and it shows sensitive data, discovery job, and yeah, it shows you where those sensitive data are located. So, and it shows here that I have one higher, right? I wonder why it's not showing it in the summary as it shows here. Oh, we have one in the S3 total findings, and there it goes, and it will show you the findings, right? And it should find another one in the second folder once the job has completed. Uh, and let me show that this one is still running. Gonna wait for that to finish, and it will show the other file which I uploaded, and it will show me that this contains sensitive data. So that's how MACIE works. So basically, just scan S3. Yep, it scan an S3 folder, and it will show you where the sensitive data is, and it integrates its result to uh, CloudWatch logs. Okay, so you should be able to find the findings in also. Um, yeah, because it's not yet done. We click on test. We should the item should be on your CloudWatch lab and security hub stuff. So we'll be discussing that later. So again, this is a very short presentation on AWS MACIE, and just basically scan your S3 folder, and it integrates into CloudWatch logs and EventBridge and AWS organization. So again, yep, if you find this useful, please subscribe, like, and follow. And for more personal training, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email me, or yeah, you can also donate uh, by Gcash or PayPal. We are planning to launch our events, big events, and thank you for watching and for having time to watch this presentation. I'll see you for more training and updates on the channel. Just anything goes. Thank you again for watching, and have a nice day.